Hello everyone, welcome back to English Learning Booster. Do you often wake up feeling tired, even if you slept for 8 hours? Or perhaps you feel irritable and lack focus throughout the day? The problem might not be how much you sleep, but what you do right before you close your eyes. Today, we are going to discuss 5 common mistakes people make before sleeping. Not only will this help you feel better, but you will also learn some essential English vocabulary along the way. Let's get started. The first and most common mistake is staying on your phone until the very last second. This is what we call the digital trap. Our electronic devices emit something called blue light. This light tricks your brain into thinking it is still daytime. It stops the production of melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. Vocabulary. Note: to disrupt means to break the flow or interrupt something. Action. Step. Instead of scrolling, try a digital detox at least 30 minutes before bed. Put your phone in another room and let your mind relax. Mistake number 2. Having a late-night caffeine fix or a heavy dinner. Caffeine is a stimulant. It keeps your nervous system active for hours. Similarly, eating a large meal right before bed forces your body to focus on digestion instead of resting. Vocabulary. Note: metabolism is the chemical process in your body that changes food into energy. Action step. Try to eat your last meal 3 hours before bed. If you're thirsty, swap that coffee for a warm cup of herbal tea or milk. Consistency is key. Many people make the mistake of having an irregular sleep schedule. They sleep at 10 p.m. on Monday, but stay up until 3 a.m. on Friday. Your body has an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm. When you change your sleep times constantly, you confuse this rhythm, leading to poor quality sleep. Phrase of the day: stick to a routine. This means to follow the same plan every day. Action step: try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This builds discipline. Mistake number 4 is overthinking. As soon as our heads hit the pillow, we start worrying about tomorrow or regretting yesterday. This creates anxiety. When your mind is racing, your body stays in fight or flight mode, making it impossible to reach deep sleep. Vocabulary. Note: ruminating means thinking deeply or repeatedly about something, often something negative. Action step: try journaling. Write down your thoughts or a to-do list for tomorrow. This helps empty your mind, making it clutter-free. Finally, ignoring your environment. A messy room, a bright light, or a loud TV can prevent you from resting properly. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. Vocabulary. Word: ambiance refers to the character and atmosphere of a place. Action. Step: make your room cozy. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Use comfortable bedding to signal to your brain that it's time to rest. So, which of these mistakes are you guilty of? For me, it was definitely the digital trap. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to improve your English every day, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to English Learning Booster. Until next time, take care of your health and sleep tight.